Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to do a Scentsy Haul unboxing for you, and I've got my canine companion right here, Peyton. Say hi, buddy. He doesn't really like the camera, but okay, go play. Love you. But so yeah, so I have a fairly large shipment. Got my box, and I've already cleaned everything off. I've got my Mylar pouch here. This is what Scentsy will put your wax bars in during the warmer months to make sure that they don't melt with an ice pack. So I'm going to start off with some items that have been on back order. I have 5 bars of cherry limeade. This was one of the Bring Back My Bar winners, and I love this. It is sweet cherries and lime, like a cherry limeade slushy, very sweet, almost saccharine, almost cloying, but I love cherry scents, so was happy to see that those finally came in. And then I picked up some items. They've got some new items in the clearance section. Well, they've been there for a couple weeks now, but I got 3 bars of Pretty and Plum. So you definitely smell the plum. This smells like a bakery scent. Bakery plum with cinnamon. So I'm excited to warm that and see how I like it. I picked up a Pristine Waters. This is another retired scent. And this smells very aquatic with like a hint of cologne. So, and then I picked up an ivy and water lily. So you can definitely smell the ivy. This is a very green scent with like a hint of aquatic. So that's interesting. Now on to the new stuff. I picked up some black raspberry vanilla Scent Soft. I can't talk today. But I had gotten the Laundry Love bundle, and I have been loving that, but it doesn't come with the Scent Soft, so I went ahead and picked that up. And then I've got Peyton's drinking water. Can you hear that? And then I picked up the new bubbled warmer. This is an ultraviolet warmer. I'm going to do a full unboxing for that, so stay tuned for that. And then I picked up the Glitter Rose Gold warmer, and this is a mini, and I will also be doing an unboxing for that one. And so for new releases, I picked up a bar of apple and oats, and this is like an apple oatmeal. You smell the oats, you smell like the spices and the apple. Very, very delectable. So I can't wait to try that. And then I picked up an Almond Croissant. This is also a new release. And this smells like sweet, sugary almond, very bakery. You get the bready note, so definitely can't wait to warm that. And I picked up 2 Sleigh All Days, another new release. And this one is like cold, fresh air, like you're skiing and you get the breeze and you can smell the trees. Very refreshing. I like that one. And then I picked up 5. I got 5 Cloudberry Dreams. And the reason I only have 4 bars here is because I've already popped a cube in from one of them, and I love it. Okay, here we go again. Another wax nipple. What is up with that lately? But this one is very sweet rose. You get a lot of rose, powdery kind of perfume, but with fruity, and I love this. I'm absolutely obsessed with that. Love it. And then I picked up a bar of Dancing Sugar Plums, and another one, you guys. What is up with this? And this one, you can definitely smell the plums and fruit with cinnamon. Yeah, I like this one. So I'm excited to see how this warms. I'm not a big cinnamon fan, so I hope the cinnamon doesn't like knock me out. But I also picked up an Eskimo Kiss. This is a returning fragrance for fall and winter. And this one is it's an interesting combination. It's like perfumey, but it's got like a strawberry jam. And I've warmed testers of this, but I'm going to try a bar in different areas to see how I really like that. So that's Eskimo Kiss. Then I picked up another classic, and that's Cozy Cardigan. And this one is very perfume-like. It's got like amber, powdery, perfumey, cashmere type smell. So feminine, and I like that one too. So thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. Leave your comments and let me know that you stopped by, and also if you've been warming any of these and what you're enjoying. And please like and subscribe. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.